Okay, it's part 3 of the T4 day van build. It's probably just a quick catch up, this is, to where I'm at with it, keep you informed. It's basically something I'm doing on the side as to other more profitable stuff, to be honest. But I like T4, so I'm going to do it. Drop the pan, seems to be anything underneath, really. I've got some seals for these here, they leak from there. I'll probably put a sump gasket on it as well. Other than that, it isn't just normal. No light under there, but yeah, just a bit of oil around the sump. So plan is fresh filter, fresh oil. This off, clean it, flush the water system completely out. Needs an air filter there, no, pollen filter there, fuel filter change, air filter, run it up. Hot again, make sure it's all good still. Complete change of power steering fluid. Well, the brake fluid will be changed anyway as I'm going through the brakes and checking them out. A little bit of knock-in rust, bodywork back there for the rust. This, I had actually done this and videoed it and lost the footage. This was all nice and black, now it's been covered in dust from other bits in the workshop. So yeah, basically there was an existing plate there. There was rust around there, small little bit, and this has all been Gravitexed after. So basically I think there's 4 or 5 plates there. Somebody had to put a large underplate in as the suspension components are there. Going off the main chassis from the suspension, another plate, 2 at the front here, 1 that was a small hole in this floor, and then a larger plate again over the top. So that's absolutely rock solid now. This one's been checked out, all good. And apart from that, that's no, here again it's covered in muck again, but I'd cut, this is the simple bits I can do. I'd cut 2 plates there, this was rusty there, and from, I think it's there, so there, I'd put a piece in there. So that's all nice and solid now. That's another rust point for T4s. So it's not too bad at all. Get in there. So yeah, I think I'll probably make this video the body, getting all the bodywork right, and then from there onwards the main build. So yeah, try and give as much content as I can with it. So yeah, windows have got to come out. I've said everything, haven't I? That's got to come off the roof. So yeah, do now. I think I've got to get the rear bumper off. There's a problem with the rear toe eye. That looks bent or damaged. I can't remember now. I had somebody point that out when he was doing the work over there. The front bumper I'll get off. I'll take them off anyway because I'm painting them. And okay, yeah, right. Okay, let's get the bumpers off and include that in this video. Apart from that, T4 4Motion's nearly built, done. That's for sale this week, which is sort of end of November-ish. And yeah, another one, T5 2009, that's come in. This is a little gem. It's got 107,000 miles. It's Cat N, rear doors, but it's 107,000 miles from new. Full service history. Quite a lot of it's VW, and yeah, there's something else as well. Yeah, 1 owner from new. And I've got the V5, so whoever buys this, you'll be the second owner. So, okay. Yeah. Back to this. So, try and get as much info on this as I can, but it's basically a catch-up. I'll probably in this video, front panel off. That's got to come off. I'll try and get this back to original fitment. Can't think where the screws go in these. I think they're down here. Can't remember what go there. There's normally one through there, which would suggest what's under there. I can't remember, but yeah, it's these 2 to put it into service position. So I'll do that, and then you can normally see what's going on. In fact, that comes off with this, if I remember, and then you can separate these from the front panel there. So front and rear bumper off, go from there. I'll include what I can in this. Okay, it's front bumper off without any issues. As ever with these lower ones here, I had to cut those or drill those through and put new bolts in, and the back and the rear as well. Just saves, they're going to rust again otherwise. Usual toe eye cover, toe eye not cover, the actual tow eye, bit of surface on that, put some rust cure on that. This bumper hanger will need relocating there, it's broke, and there was a tiny bit of surface rust down the either side of the front crash bar. Apart from that, good actually. There's no rust underneath on the front there. A little bit of scabbiness down here. I've put some rust cure on that. I just run a bit of black paint down that when it's done. I'll relocate all of the, look at that. How did it not fall out? Yep, get some more locating. What's it for the lights? Wow. It's like one of them Citroens that's sort of XM. With this one, you can either look up or down, not left and right. That's normal, to be honest. However, I've not had that. It's normally this one here, this plastic becomes brittle. They're on eBay. Better quality plastic. So yeah, this is just an update, so I'm going to end this in a minute. Just what's going on. There's a bit to do there. If that's too bad, I'll put a wing on it. I suspect not. That really does look like just bubbling. So it's been painted before. A pretty good job when I did the sill the other side. It was one tiny little plate. That one looks okay. That's surface. There's filler in that, so I'm going to get all of that out. And the leg there. And the rest, the sills underneath here, all underneath is good. So this will need filling. Pop a dent out. Fill. The ding that I put in. Hit the wall as I came into the unit. Just the odd little bits and pieces. These normally rust all the way around there. That's what I look at. There's certain places you look on a T4, then you kind of know you're getting a fairly good one. This is normal. I'll probably take that back. Reseal the roof. Tiny little stone chip up there. That's all normal. You normally get a few niggles. Again, I don't normally bother with them. It's only when they go in that can sometimes window fitters start getting a bit twitchy. That rust is going to stop a window being put in. Okay, I'll probably stop this one here. It's just a catch up on the T4. Yeah. There's a lot of people out there like them, me included. Just a great simple van. There's nothing. If you know what you're doing with them, or reasonably know what you're doing with them, they're a cracking van. They go wrong slowly. Right, thanks for watching. The next video will be more in depth. It'll be probably taking it back in primer, all the bodywork done. Excuse me, and starting to build the interior up. The cab is a pigsty but ready. I've got the cheese wire window cutter for the windows. Didn't make that long enough and it snapped. I think what I'll use is the thicker wire they provide and get somebody to help me with it. So yeah, this will be in the next one. Right, I'm going to shut up, that's enough. But yeah, it's good. I'm still going to go for it. Won't be the best on the road, but it'll certainly be serviceable. And if looked after, there's 5-10 years in it. It's a good sound van. Mechanically it's good. It's yet to show itself as anything else, to be honest. Again, I'll say it again. Stop it, the few little leaks. Good quality oil. Take that off, clean out, flush all the water system out. Oil and filters. Right, I'm gone. Thanks.